Today is such a special day. It's Eklavya's naming ceremony. We woke up at 6 a.m. and headed straight to Flower Market. After ages, Shri and I were traveling on a bike together. It honestly felt like our college days again. The market was buzzing with people, but we quickly picked everything we needed. So I finally unpacked all the flowers that we got today. I think I just went so crazy in the market that I started taking this and that, but then somewhere Shri had to calm me down. So I just got selective items that we needed for our today's decor, like white roses, orchids, we have mogra. And for today's naming ceremony, I really wanted it to be very personal with our loved ones, with our family members. So that's when we decided why not do the ceremony at home and why not we ourselves decorate the hall for the baby. So yes, I'm very excited because this is Eklavya's first celebration, and as a mother, I just want everything to be perfect for him. Upstairs, we began setting up the base for the decor. We cleaned the space, laid out the carpets, and it slowly started to come together. So, half preparation is done for today. Now, I am just waiting for the swing to arrive so we can assemble the floral decor. The swing we rented had arrived, and I must say it was such a smart decision to directly book it from the decorators. And once it was installed, we finally began decorating it with fresh flowers. I really wanted the decor to be simple, sweet, and sophisticated. So we used a mix of white flowers with pops of purple for contrast. 3 hours later, the swing looked just as I had envisioned it to be, absolutely beautiful. So the decor is almost ready. Let's check it out. Wow, कोणाला झोपायचं ह्याच्यात? You like it? काय बघतो तू? You like it? And then it was time for the ceremony to begin. Eklavya was glowing in his little kurta, his very first kurta, and just look at him, he looks so adorable here. Well, being Maharashtrian, this ceremony is one of the most significant traditions for us, and it felt so special to celebrate it with our close-knit circle of loved ones. Since Eklavya is the first grandchild in the family, he is truly the center of everyone's love and attention. Everywhere I looked, everyone was just capturing moments with him. We finished some more rituals before placing him in the swing. And here comes the most awaited part, placing him on the decorated swing. Well, this moment as a mother was simply priceless. Watching him in that swing, surrounded by love and blessings, was everything I had wished for him.
पहिल्या दिवशी बोलली लीला दशरथ राजाला पुत्र हो झाला दशरथ राजाला पुत्र हो झाला कौसल्या मातेने झोका हा दिला जो बाळा जो जो रे जो.
Well, according to our tradition, the father's sister gives the baby his name, and so Rasika did the honors, announcing his beautiful name, Eklavya. The rituals ended, the decor looked just perfect, and my little one, wrapped in all the warmth, he peacefully dozed off to sleep. This day will forever remain etched in our hearts. And here is my cutie patootie. See you all next time.